Generative AI models, practical business applications.
Everything about two letters, A and I. This two letters will change our life in the next 5 to 10 years. Why are you here? For more money or more work? Please put your hand if you want more money. Perfect. So if you want more work, no. So more money with less work, that's the best. I think too, that's what AI could handle for us. And that's why we are here. The generative AI technologies will help for us to show that way how we can use the AI best side for our business. I have a small sentence. So AI doesn't replace human intelligence. It just adds to it. It's a really important thing. Because if we are working with AI, it could be very helpful for us. It's a tool. Which tool? Much more smarter than any other tool in our life. When Michelangelo created the statue of David, he had a plan in his mind, and he could create the perfect statue. Now, if we have the plan in our head, the AI can create our David statue. So it can do it alone. It can be very, very helpful for us to keep our life simple and use a tool which is automated, working better than ever anything in our life, and it's a game-changer technology. So, generative AI. Do you know the meaning of this word? Please put your hands. Okay, so I hope it will be very useful for you. Generative AI technology, knowing the word, how we did when we were small children, reading book, watching images, pictures, reading and learning the whole world, how we did when we were young. Generative AI technology is not cutting the photos and putting together. It's generating totally. It's the same technology, how we doing our creative things, for example, a painting, writing a book, or creating a movie. So that's the big changes. The AI learning the data and predicting, creating, generating new things which based on our previous knowledge. In the past, the AI started really early. The first date, 1956. 1956, when AI launched. But when we realized what can do AI, that was in 2022, November 13, when ChatGPT launched. Why? Because ChatGPT showed for us a really different thing. Before it, if you wanted to use AI, you should learn 5 to 10 years. You should have a lot of experience. And after ChatGPT, the technology will be ready for anybody who wants to use it. And that's a very important part, because you don't need any knowledge of development. And it's very important. And you can use it very easily. Who knows ChatGPT? Perfect. Are you using it every day? Mainly. DALL-E, did you ever create an image with AI? No? Did you heard about Sora? It sounds great. Sora is a very game-changer technology. The whole Hollywood is shying. Last year, the Hollywood actors demonstrated they don't want to work because AI steals their job. So that's a very high risk for them. At the end of this year, OpenAI will launch Sora for public. So the next year, 2025, will be a game-changer year. We could use the AI video technology. On that level, what's the best ever in our life? It will opening those doors what we cannot imagine. Here is a hype cycle. When a new technology is starting, we have a high exception. We think about a new technology, very big things. But when we start to use, it shows for us a very different face. When you try ChatGPT or any image generation technologies, have you ever had bad experience? Yes. Not always do ChatGPT what you want, because you have to know the basics, how it works. And when you start to learn it, and you know the basics of the technology, and you became an expert, this technology will give you much more what you expected about it. If you read these words, it's very important. Only the most adaptable to change, that person will be ready for this future, what AI coming with us. Where are we now? These slides show you 3 different visualizations. The first is the hype cycle. The second, the red one, was hype cycle. The second, the blue one, is a technology adaptation cycle. And the third, yellow, is the market share. Where we are now. On the Earth, there is 8.2 billion people. But only 200 million people using ChatGPT. 200 million. It's a very small number. So we are at the beginning. Only the innovators using this technology. So, if you are those men or women who want to change the world or want to be the next Elon Musk of their industry, in gaming industry, I hope you will be that man or woman. Because the time to change, time to decide is only now. the next year will give for you a very big change in your industry. And those men or women starting to use AI, that will be the winner. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, said that the next years will be those years where those billionaires came on stage who have a factory with one owner and one employee. It will be a very, very big change. Temu spent a lot of money for advertising, and they are buying now data, client data. It's a very important part. You should buy data and own your own data. You must, those men, use this opportunity. AI trends in 2024. Open world, localization, speech-to-speech, open source technology, Facebook Llama, artificial generative intelligence will coming end of this year, videos, virtual assistants, AI agent, Industry 5.0, and OpenAI marketplace. But what can we do in our business with AI? There's a lot of things. Creating contents, doing business analyzing, prediction, customer journey, creating more value for our customer, less work for our colleagues, and more profit for our owners. That's what AI can give for you. You can see the AI agent promotion. This is a very important part for the next year. Not only ChatGPT. The network of ChatGPT will be useful for you to create image, create text, content, video, checking all your customer process, creating value. This is the most important part. Low code, no code, AI code, create websites with AI with one clicks, web shop promoting, creating product photos, summarization, reviews, data analyzing. Data is the new oil. Visualization is the key to show our data for the people to make it understandable. You can create images, contents with AI. And well, with the change. That's the most important part of the speech. You should start now AI.